In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install the laminate ply flatbed table attachment onto the Cowboy 4500. So we have 4 holes drilled in the bench top of the table. The attachment has 4 holes in it, and we will insert these threaded rods into the bottom of the table. I've pre-loaded them up with some washers and nuts. These are the nuts and the washers that will be between this table and that table. The washers and nuts that are going to go underneath that table we'll add later on. I might just sit them on the holes actually. Slide this along here. And then the tricky operation of lining up the holes. So you may want a second set of hands to help get this all straightened out. And you may want to use a level. The floor here isn't level, so we'll just be eyeballing it a little bit. We'll add the nuts on underneath. We can wind these top nuts up pretty close to the table. So according to our level, this end needs to go down, and it's currently being held up by some nuts that are on the back. So I'll wind those nuts up so that the table will straighten out. Once we have the flatbed attachment sitting where we want it to, we're just going to adjust the nuts to keep it in that place. Got our narrow slotted flat top needle plate on there. Just makes a nice flat surface. So you can see this gives you a much larger flat area to work on than the stainless steel flatbed table attachment, but this one is a lot more fiddly to put on compared to the stainless steel one, because the stainless steel one just requires you to take out these two bolts, take that off, slide the flatbed table attachment in there and put those screws back in again. But it's just a 250mm square work area. This is about 700mm.